I wanted to do a hike to Mango Bay, but I finished editing my video late today, so I had to cut my hike short. This is where I am. I'm at the High Rock Viewpoint. It took me 45 minutes to walk here with a couple of stops. Most of the way is uphill. You just need to follow the main road up the hill to Hin Long. On the hill turn left and follow the road until you reach this sign. The hike felt okay. I did get out of breath, but just because the majority of the hike is uphill. I could definitely make it to Mango Bay, but next time I need to put away about an hour 15, an hour and a half one way just to be safe. And then for the time there, I would probably need to dedicate at least 4 or 5 hours. Now I know there's not a lot of people watching my videos, but I really enjoy making them. It takes me about 2-3 hours to film one, and then it takes around an hour per minute to edit them. So if you see a 5-minute video made by me, it took me about 4 or 5 hours to edit it. I usually do it next day in the morning. It's just because I feel fresh in the morning and it's a lot easier. I am starting to get better at this, and I am managing to get down to about 45 minutes. But at the moment that's the best I can do. Hopefully sooner than later I'll get good enough for people to actually enjoy watching these. And the part they don't tell you about editing, it just takes a lot of time. At the moment I'm right here, and when you're in a place like this, there's not a lot of things to worry about. I'm gonna enjoy this view for another 15 minutes and then I'm gonna head back. That's it for today. I will see you tomorrow.